Hi, Joy. Hello, Joy. Just unmute yourself once you're ready, Joy, and we will start our class.
I'm very sleepy.
Oh, you're very sleepy. Oh no. Okay, don't worry, Joy. It will be quick as the lightning. Okay, so how are you, Joy? Are you okay? Are you happy today? Are you okay, Joy? Joy? How are you feeling, Joy? Are you okay? Just a little sleepy, Joy? Okay. I understand. Don't worry, it'll be quick. So now let us have this. Look at the picture here, Joy. Now, can you tell me what are they doing?
I a place soccer.
Okay, yes, they are, Joy. They are playing football. Okay, so now can you tell me, do they have cheese? Do they have, yes, they do. Do they have butter? Do they have butter? Yes, they do. Okay, yes, that is correct. Do they have peach, Joy? Do they have a peach? Peach.
No.
No. Okay. No, they don't. And that's right. Now let's just proceed to another activity, Joy. And in here, you have to tell me the missing words. Like, for
Next
example,
is my club. I wear a green hat on my head and go I can. So I'm wearing a hat.
I'm wearing a hat. Is it I'm
No,
wearing a hat? But it says it's
the socks.
it's blue. I'm wearing.
T-shirt,
Is he wearing a blue
coat.
t-shirt? Okay, I'm wearing a coat. It's blue.
Oh, I'm wearing green socks
And brown.
and brown sneaker on my feet. I'm wearing a sweater and brown pants.
Very good. Okay, see, there you have it, Joy. You just have to look at the following sentences, and that'll give you a clue what you should write. Okay, now let us have this one.
Then
What
one
does the man want?
is
He wants?
what is the boy have?
Yes, what does the boy have?
The boy have
Has? The boy has?
I don't know.
Hmm? You don't know? What is that?
It
It's,
was spaghetti.
yeah, it's spaghetti. Very good. Now, what is the grandmother eating?
The grandmother eating soup.
Okay, yes, it's soup. And what does the girl want?
The girl wants fries.
Okay, yes, fries or French fries. Great job, Joy. So now let us have Another one. Okay, listen and draw lines. Joy, just like in here. This is Tom. Now it is your turn,
No,
Joy.
no,
So,
no.
no, no, no. We have to listen to it. Joy and you have to connect it. Okay, let us start now.
Page 88. Movers. Practice 1. Listening. A. Listen and draw lines. 1.
Hi, Tom. What are you doing?
Hi, Dad. I'm listening to music.
Are these your friends in the living room?
Yes, they are.
Hello, everyone.
2.
That's May.
Is she next to the bookshelf?
Yes, she's sitting on the sofa.
What is she doing?
She's reading a book.
Okay, where is May? Very good.
3.
Who's that in front of the clock?
That's Alex.
Is he watching TV?
No, he isn't. He's playing a game.
Okay, very good.
4.
And who's that behind the table?
Oh, that's Grace.
Is
Great
she drawing?
job, Joy. Well
Yes,
done.
she is. She's doing her homework.
Okay, there you have it. Very good, Joy. Thank you so much for that. Now I want you to look at this and find the differences. Okay, can you use your pen and encircle the differences you can see, Joy? Okay. What about it? Find and encircle the differences.
Find
Tìm
the
và khoanh
difference.
tròn những điểm khác biệt. Tìm và khoanh tròn những điểm khác biệt.
Look at
Okay.
look at find the differences.
Yes. What differences can you see here?
I can see a window.
Yes, you could see your window. Yes, and that there is no differences there because in the first picture, Joy, the first picture we can see a window. But in the second picture, we can see a window as well. So there's no difference there. Now let me give you an example how to do it. Okay, so in the first picture, there is no guitar. Okay, there is no guitar. But in the second picture, there is a guitar. Okay, what else? What else, Joy? What else?
The potato.
Can you use your pen to encircle the differences?
Hãy tìm và khoanh tròn những điểm khác biệt mà bạn nhận thấy.
What else? What else, Joy? Okay. What is the boy doing?
The boy is the boy is playing.
Very good. That is correct. What else, Joy? Okay, yes, very good. Okay, what is it, Joy?
A picture.
Yes, it is a picture of the solar system. But what about this one?
Clock.
Yes, it's a clock. Last one, Joy, last one. Mm-hmm. Nothing's wrong with it, Joy. That is no differences there. Can you see the last one?
I
Last
don't
one. Oh, you can see it. It's in here, Joy. Okay. So in the first picture, what is it?
mouse.
Yes, it is a mouse, a computer mouse. But what about this one?
Books.
Yes, very good. So in the first picture, we can see a mouse, but in the second picture, we can see books. Very good. Now let us have this, Joy. Okay, you can sleep on this. It's a bed. Now you can cook food here. What is it?
Kitchen.
Very good. It's kitchen. Now what about for 3? You can put books on
Bookshelf.
this.
Computer.
Very good. Okay, yes, that's correct, Joy. Okay, I believe there's no need for me to write item 4. Now let us have this. Yes or no? 2 children are eating at the table. No, there's only 1 child. Okay, a child is eating at the table. Now there is a TV in front of the sofa.
Yes.
Is it? Yes. Okay. Yes. Now the girl is listening to music. Is the girl listening to the music, Joy? No, she is not listening to a music. She is playing the guitar. Now there is a clock next to the bookcase. Is it yes or no? It's
It's just.
okay, it's yes. Very good. See, the clock is in here, and here is the bookcase. Very good. Now moving on. Okay, let us have this one.
I'm
Kim.
very sleepy.
Oh no. Okay, don't worry, Joy. We only have 9 minutes left, Joy. Mhm. Okay. Sorry, Joy. Okay, so now let us have this one now. Okay, you have to tell me the missing words or, yeah, missing information.
Page 90. Movers. Practice 2. Listening. A. Listen and write. 1,
Where are you from, Kim?
I'm from Canada.
2,
What time do you go to school in Canada?
We go to school at 8:15 in the morning.
What time do they go to school at Canada? In Canada, okay, at 8. Very good, Joy.
3,
Great job, great job.
What's your teacher's name?
It's Miss Taylor.
Do you spell that Tail?
Okay, just tell me, what is the name of the teacher? It's okay, Miss.
Miss
Miss?
Teacher.
Miss Teacher? Miss Taylor, Joy. She is Miss Taylor, not Miss Teacher.
O-R?
There's no I in it. We spell it Taylor.
Okay, now let us have 4.
When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:30 in the afternoon.
Okay, when does she eat lunch?
She eats lunch at. I don't know.
Don't know? Why don't you know? We listen to the audio, Joy. Okay, I'll let you listen to it one last time.
When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:30 in the afternoon.
The
12.
Eight, 3.
Why? Why is it 28? Why is it 28?
No, 50.
Oh, we don't have time like 28, 15, Joy, in the afternoon. Okay, it's 12:30 in the afternoon, Joy. 12:30. Okay, last one.
What do you eat?
I like steak, French fries, and salad.
5.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is music.
What
Okay.
day do you have music class?
I go to music class on Tuesday afternoons.
Okay, what is her favorite subject, Joy? Joy?
Hmm?
What is her favorite subject?
My favorite subject is
It's
music.
very good. What about you? What is your favorite subject?
The favorite subject is Juju.
It's
Juju.
Juju. Juju. What is that? English? Do you like English? Yes, you do. Okay, that's great, Joy. Now let us have this one. I want you to make a story by just looking at the given pictures here, Joy. But yes, tell me, what is happening here? What is he doing? When does he wake up?
She wake up at 7:45.
Very good. Okay, what is happening here, Joy? What is he doing?
He is eating dinner.
Eating? Not
In
dinner,
lunch.
Joy. He is eating breakfast because this is a school bus, Joy. Here is the school bus, and mom is asking him, please be quick. The school bus is here. Okay, now the last one. What happened here, Joy?
It's late.
Yeah, he was late. That's why he missed the school bus and now he has to walk to school, Joy. Okay, so you always have to wake up early so you will not miss the school bus. Do you have a school bus, Joy? Do you have a school bus?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. That is
I
okay.
have a motorbike.
You have a motorbike. Okay, that's fine. Do you have a bicycle, Joy?
I have 2 bicycles.
Oh, wow, you have a lot of bicycles. Okay, that's good. Now, Joy, let us have this one.
Sleepy.
Yes, we are almost done, Joy. That is the great news. Okay, so 2 minutes left and you sleep, Joy. Okay, let us answer this one. Nick said, hi, do you speak English? And Lucy replied, yes, I do. I'm Lucy. What about for two, Joy? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What is our answer here? Is it A, B, or C? Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Wow. South Korea.
Very good. That is correct. Jay, what about you? Where are you from?
I am from Hanoi.
Oh, you're from Hanoi. I am from Mindanao, Philippines, Joy. Okay, now, when do you go to school?
It's time for school. After the carpet,
It's What is your answer? Is it B or C?
bees.
Very good. Because when we say it's 8:15, that answers the question, what time is it? It's 8:15. What time is it now, Joy? It's it's not yet 10. It's 9.
9:50.
9:50? Okay. That was close. It's already 9:53, Joy. Okay. So now I think you are really sleepy, Joy. So we will just continue the rest of the activities. On Friday, you can sleep now, Joy. Thank you so much, Joy. Good night, Joy. Good night, Joy.